How's it going, Thomas? Doing your check-in right now, first 2 weeks of the program. Kind of give you my little breakdown of what I think you're doing, if we're progressing right. Um, One thing, make sure you add these videos up here each week so I can come in and look at these, make sure I can look at your form. So at the end of every week, take all those, the last set of each lift, so your 331, 2x6, record the second set of that, combine all those videos, post it on YouTube, and then just paste it right here so that I can then come review your form. It's going to help me out with your coaching a lot. You're not getting the most out of it. Bang for your buck if you're not putting those videos in there. So looking at your progressions, I'd say this is like a pretty big jump right here, going from never mind. Okay, I read that wrong. That's a perfect jump, 10 pounds. You're trying to stay within, like, on squat, probably 5 kilos each week, unless something drastic happens. And then on bench, 2.5, 5 kilos. Squat and deadlift, you have like the 5 to 10 kilo range. But yeah, you should be increasing 2.5% every week once you find that good RP, unless, like, say here, you're going from a 2x6 to 3x6, you could honestly take the same weight sometimes, and the RP will still go up because you have an extra set. So yeah, just make sure I 225, 243. So that was a pretty big jump. So I'm guessing you just kind of started really like that first week, which is completely fine because it's that intro week. We're just kind of getting used to the new schedule and seeing where we should be at for the building weeks, week 1 through 4. Cluster deadlifts. So yeah, you overshot a little bit on that one. As you can see, you jumped a pretty good amount. Not even too bad, honestly. Well, since you saw here that you had to go down in weight, I'm guessing then you would want to be like, okay, I probably need to stay at like 410, 415 the whole time. So then you should have probably only took like 425 to start, 420. So just note that for next week, you could honestly try to just take 430 again. I'd say take 430 for 4x3 on this day, and then hopefully that should get you your RP7. And then the comp squat, you didn't fill that in yet, so I'm guessing we haven't lifted day 5 yet. Let me come check. You did, you just forgot to fill it in. So yeah, that's basically everything. Progressions are looking pretty decent. Just try to make those adjustments. Don't overshoot each week. Looking at your past program, that week 4, this is where you can then come in here, like when you start a new program, be like, okay, week 1 I did hard bar squat at 3x6 at 315. Well, you did it by 8. We'll use a different example. So yeah, just try to fill these out the most you can, because the more feedback you give me and yourself, the easier it's going to be for you and me to coach yourself. So yeah, you can come here and be like, boom, I did 319, 4x3 on squat. So then when you come back and you have pause squat again, if you do, which you don't, you'll just be able to use these last programs like, okay, boom, high bar squat 3x7 was at RP7 at 309. So then you come in here, be like, okay, if I do 2x6, I'm probably a little stronger. So then you could be able to took a lot more, honestly. So shows for getting stronger by a long shot already. So that's pretty good. Yeah, so just try to use those past programs to kind of gauge where you should be at when you start that new program. Yeah, that's basically all I got for you, man, because you don't have any videos in here. So make sure these next 4 weeks we get some videos in there, especially since your form's going to begin breaking down as we get further in the program. So I can review that and we can make adjustments going into the next one. That's all I got for you, man. Kill it. Kill the rest of this program. You're doing good. You're getting in there every day. Have a great rest of your day, brother.